9 interesting facts about coffee you didn't know. Which country drinks the most coffee? And did you know that the world's most expensive coffee costs up to $600 per pound and is made of cat poop? Many people start the day with a cup of coffee, and you probably make yourself a cup without thinking too much about it. However, coffee has a rich history, and we are sure you will be amazed at some of these facts. 1. Coffee has been around since 800 AD. According to legend, 9th century goat herders discovered how caffeine affected their goats, who looked like they were dancing, probably high on caffeine, after eating the coffea plant's fruit. After that discovery, the cup of coffee as we know it was born when a local monk made a drink with the product and discovered that it kept him awake all night. 2. Technically, coffee beans are seeds. They're the pits of the cherry-like berries found on flowering shrubs, but because of their resemblance to legumes, we name them beans. So, technically coffee beans are seeds. 9 interesting facts about coffee you didn't know, drinking coffee with friends. 3. Brazil is the world's largest coffee producer. According to the International Coffee Organization, Brazil now produces about a third of the world's coffee supply, roughly twice as much as the runner-up, Vietnam. 4. The most expensive coffee in the world can cost more than $600 per pound. The feces, yes, you read that correctly, of an Asian palm civet is used to make one of the most sought-after types of coffee, called kopi luwak, also known as cat poop coffee. The coffee is made from coffee cherries that have been eaten, digested, and then pooped out by the mammal. The beans are then cleaned and processed. With prices ranging between $35 and $100 a cup, or about $100 to $600 a pound, this coffee is known as the world's most expensive coffee. 5. Several people have attempted to outlaw coffee. Leaders in Mecca forbade the drink in 1511 because they believed it sparked radical thinking. Coffee was also attempted to be banned by certain 16th-century Italian clergymen who called the drink satanic. Pope Clement VII, on the other hand, was so fond of coffee that he abolished the ban and had it baptized in the year 1600. For its alleged links to rebellious sentiment, the Swedish government made both coffee and coffee paraphernalia, including cups and dishes, illegal as recently as the 18th century. 6. Finland drinks the most coffee in the world. Which country drinks the most coffee? According to the International Coffee Organization, the average adult Finn consumes 27.5 pounds of coffee per year. In comparison, the average weight of an American is only 11 pounds. In second place, you find Norway, third place Iceland, and fourth place Denmark. 7. Coffee drinkers live longer than non-coffee users. According to Harvard Health Publishing, research has linked moderate intake, about 3 to 4 cups per day, to a longer lifespan, as well as a lower risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and Parkinson's disease. 8. Caffeine-free does not mean decaf. According to the Mayo Clinic, an 8-ounce brewed cup of decaf coffee contains 2 to 12 milligrams of caffeine. A standard cup of coffee has between 95 and 200 milligrams of caffeine, while a can of cola contains between 23 and 35 milligrams. 9. Norwegians drinks on an average 5 cups a day. Norwegians who drink coffee consume an average of 5 cups a day. We are therefore doing our part to maintain the global total of approximate 1.6 billion cups every single day. This subsequent consumption makes caffeine by far the world's most widely used stimulant.